If it wasn't for your prompting, I would have just assumed, no way I would have gotten anything. So I wanted to thank you.
No, we appreciate you growling a problem with us here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 81. NASDAQ is up 200. S&Ps are up 18. Gold contract down $13.90, trading $18.62 an ounce. We have silver down 17 cents, $24.29 an ounce. Light sweet crude, flat. $41.55 a barrel, notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note up 7 ticks, trading 137.21. The 30-year up 26 ticks, 170.26, and King Dollar. King Dollar's up 301 ticks, trading 93.051. The euro is out here at 117. The yen is at 105.42, and the British pound is at 132 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We go over to the SPY. What you're going to see, you get a higher move, really flat, up $1.80. Huge contraction of volume. You get 35 million shares traded out here. We go south yesterday with 85 million. The prior day, 172 million. So you don't have buyers out here. Not sellers. That's the other side of that. That being said, we still got 60 minutes left in the marketplace. NDX 100, up $5.82. You get 289. You get 27 million shares. We went south yesterday with 69. You went south the day before with 86. And you're running into 110 million. So you're talking about a market, folks, between the S&P did get traction, and the NDX 100 got the traction. Dow's having a little tougher time out here. Small caps, also sideways move. Gold contract out here. We had from highs to lows. What I'd like to see is I'd like to see the contract actually get under the lows. That was generated out here on Monday, and that hasn't happened yet. We were pounding, you're pounding on them, and you're pounding on them with tremendously lighter volume. It would be nice if it could just touch it. The number that we're talking about out here, on Monday we got all the way down to 1848 flat. You did 496,000 contracts. Today we got 197, and we got to 1853. Bottom line, we'll see whether we can get that test going. If we go take a look at the GDX, what you're going to see with the GDX, that's right. The bonds, that's right, folks. The bond market's closed. It's Veterans Day. Yeah, so that's when I say there's bonds, that was just laying there. The GDX is operating really well how you'd like it to operate. What I mean specifically is this. On Monday, you came down with 43 million shares. You get to a price point of $38. Your swing point now we're dealing with is 36.01. Yesterday, you come down with 33 million. Today, you have all 16 million. That is saying that you're going to lower price. You have huge contraction of volume that's happening. Now what you need a rejection of lower price. That's what we'll be looking for. We take a look at the silver market, SIZ. Silver market right now. Silver market is trading $24.30. You get 70,000 contracts. That's interesting. This is bullish. The silver market never even got close to its lowest swing. Interesting. So the silver got down to 23.60, but one major swing is 22.62, and the second one, the big one, is 21.81. So bottom line is that silver is in better shape than gold right now, and that is a good situation. Let's go to Andy in Boulder, Colorado. Hey, Andy, what's going on?
Hey, Tom. Happy Veterans Day and happy belated birthday.
Yeah, thank you so much, man. And happy Veterans Day to everyone out there. It's a beautiful thing. Totally.
Absolutely. Sorry to see that hurricane's bearing down on you there. Jeez.
Yeah, it's all right, man. I mean, what happened is that, in between shows out here, we got the foul weather gear on and went there, and it's literally right outside my window. But it's only 30 to 35 miles an hour. What you do have is a little storm surge, but I suspect that everything's going to be cool. Thank God, man. November 11th, getting a hurricane would be not cool. Yes, happy Veterans Day, Dan. It's a beautiful thing, brother.
And you're on the west side of the bay there in St. Pete, downtown, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Great. Okay.
So it's good. So what's happening? So picture as the surge is coming in, folks. As the surge is coming in, what's happening is that the way that all the piers are laid out, the boats are basically coming into downtown, which is the best way it could happen. Because they're not going into the rafts. They're going the opposite way into the water, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So,
yeah. Hopefully they'll stay that way. I don't know what the wind's going to be like after that, but yeah. All right. Well, hey, Tom, I wanted to talk to you about Boeing and maybe GDXJ a little bit, but definitely Boeing. It looks like it's coming into bearish engulfing today on lighter volume from yesterday's candle.
Okay, let me see. So you're saying...
And I don't know if it's going to get down to that gap at 158 or not.
So... Well, what happens here is that when you say a bearish engulfing, most times what happens is this, is that you have to be trading sideways for a bit, up a bit before, bearish engulfing even comes in, man. I mean, do you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So this candle is like nothing, really. The same with the one yesterday, because we haven't been up here enough to basically get a pattern going, basically.
Right, not enough time. Okay.
Yeah. What were you looking to do with Boeing?
Well, it'd be nice if it got down to that gap of 158. I don't know if it'll get there. Maybe see what happens if it gets down to 172 or 166.
Yeah, no, that would be great.
I don't know where to pull the trigger.
That's where to pull the trigger. What you just said there, the place to pull the trigger is at 158.47, if you can get there. Because what you have, folks, is this. Boeing went topside when the news that the vaccine may be close. And what it also has, though, it also has that high volume buy going all the way over to the June 8th, which is really cool, man. Hey, just stay right there, Andy. We'll be coming right back. Stay with us, folks. Coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Come right back.